Hello guys, it's me Nikita Mahlych, your personal development mentor. And today we're going to talk about our eyesight. Have you been struggling with your eyesight? I have been struggling with it for almost all my life. And I had this issue, I remember when I was a child, maybe it was 10 or 15 years ago, and I went to the doctor and they had said that I had some issues with my eyes and I had to wear glasses. And you know what was happening? Like every half of a year or a year, I had to go from one glasses minus 0.25, then to minus 0.5, then to minus 0.75, and I always had to change my glasses and my eyes were just deteriorating. So one day I decided to stop. I was fed up and I started doing the research because I understood that my eyes are really important and I want to see everything perfectly without using any artificial stuff on my face. So I started doing the research and now I'm going to share with you 5 key steps. It's what I do, what I've done to go from -1 to minus 0.5. So right now I actually don't have to wear glasses so much and it's getting better. So the first thing, what I found, it really works when we start using our peripheral vision, when we start seeing things around us. It was an experiment and the woman, she was asked, people, they were asked what they see in front of them, if the other person is in front of them. So they were asked what they see, and the people who had bad vision, they only said, okay, I see the person, I see like your eyes, your nose, other parts. But the person who people who had great perfect vision, you know what they saw? They saw everything around. They started talking, oh, I see this light near you, I see those books beside you, I see this view. So they saw much more than just person. So they used their peripheral vision. It's something that we gotta do. And even right now I'm talking here to camera, but I see the lights around, I see the flower beside, I even can use my peripheral vision, which I don't see. It's like logical. I understand that the books are behind me, yes, and I can see it without seeing it. You understand it? So the next step is to see the movement. So when we move, we actually don't notice it. We're thinking about it, but when we move, it's to notice that the movement is happening. Yes. So it really helps that the movement is happening. The next step, the third secret, is to wear pinhole glasses. Pinhole, you see they have holes. So these are average glasses and they have some plastic inside and then they have some pins. So what is happening when I'm wearing them? Interesting thing is happening. So my eyes, they get shielded from indirect rays of light. So what it means is what I have in the result, yes? So usually, if we just work it here, I don't see so many objects like perfectly, which are so far away because I still have minus 0.5. But when I wear these glasses and when I focus, I can see everything perfectly. Everything perfect. So this is so cool. It helps you with focusing your vision. Yes, lots of doctors, they say like how to work with deteriorated vision, especially myopia, is to see something far away and see something close. So these glasses allow you to see something far away really good. So I do that. You can use them when you watch TV or some videos on YouTube, or when you do reading, whatever time I use it. And the fourth secret is really nice. It's been researched, and people who children who were sleeping in rooms that were completely dark, when they become adults, they have much better vision, almost perfect vision in comparison to people who slept with some lights. So just how to implement it in our lives, just sleep in completely darkness, or if you can't do it, because for example I have this like view on a city and I have these curtains which are not so good to protect me from the light. So I use, before I receive good curtains and before I have opportunity to sleep in complete darkness, I use my eye mask. That's it. And I don't see anything at night, and I feel better, I sleep better, and my eyes are getting better as well. So, and the last thing that I use is eye chart. Like it's from this side, if you can see, it's far away right there. I have this eye chart, and right now it's kind of for children, but I'm getting a better eye chart, but at least I'm using some. And eye chart is really good to measure your brain, your vision, because the thing is you can't manage what you can't measure. So eye chart allows you to see, oh, what's your vision now, what it was before, and what it's becoming. You see if you need to work additional on your vision, or you can rest, and etc. So it's really good just to measure your eyesight and have it for yourself at home, not only when you go to the doctor. So guys, let me know in comments what is your quality of vision, and what are your ways to enhance it. And I would be grateful if you like this video, if you subscribe and share with somebody who needs to hear it. Thank you so much. It's been me, Nikita Mahlych, your personal development mentor, and see you in the next video and post. Bye bye.